Hey, imagine this for a second. What if you could launch your very own army of autonomous AI agents that think, act, and execute tasks for you, all without writing a single line of code? Sounds futuristic, right? Well, the future is here, and it's called Agentix AI Agents. Today, I'm going to show you how Agentix is changing the game with AutoGPT-powered autonomous agents and multi-agent systems that anyone can deploy in just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, this is your chance to ride the AI wave and turn automation into pure profit. Let's be real. Most people are still stuck copying and pasting between ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, juggling tabs and wasting hours. That's not automation. That's frustration. But Agentix flips the script. Instead of chatbots, you get real autonomous agents with brains, roles, missions, rules, skills, tools, permissions, decision loops, and memory. These agents don't just answer questions, they execute jobs from start to finish. And here's the kicker. Complete beginners are already cashing in $14,000 to $160,000 a month using agents like these. This isn't hype, it's the new gold rush. So how does it work? Agentix makes it ridiculously simple with 3 steps. Activate. Pick a pre-built agent from the $535,000 skill library or create your own. Want email campaigns, landing pages, social content, product reviews, or video scripts? Done. Automate. Launch your agent or stack multiple agents together. They communicate with each other, passing instructions and files until the job is complete. Profit. Hit run and watch your agents research, write, design, publish, and deliver assets that get clicks, leads, and buyers, all while you sleep. That's it. 3 clicks, under 60 seconds, and you've got your first profitable AI agent live. Agentix isn't just another shiny tool. It's powered by OpenAI's next-gen Codex engine, the most powerful AI infrastructure on the planet right now. It's already banking 6-figure incomes, $535,493 to be exact, and comes preloaded with prompts, skills, and execution-ready workflows. Plus, it's automatically plugged into 9,000-plus tools, MCP servers, and websites for multi-stage automation that runs for hours on enterprise-grade cloud infrastructure. No VPS, no Node.js, no coding, just you, your laptop, and agents working for you on autopilot. Think about what this means for you. No more hiring expensive developers, no more wasting time on repetitive tasks, no more juggling apps and tabs. Instead, you get agents that write high-converting sales copy, design landing pages, create social media posts, generate video scripts and clips, even handle multimodal workflows across platforms. It's like cloning yourself into a team of tireless digital workers who never sleep, never complain, and never miss a deadline. And here's the best part. You can launch your first agent today for a ridiculously low one-time payment. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, no subscriptions. Agentix even hosts your agents on OpenAI infrastructure for free. Plus, you get a 30-day risk-free trial. Launch unlimited agents, test every feature, and if it doesn't deliver, you get every penny back. Zero risk. But you've got to act fast. Demand for agents has skyrocketed 18,000%, and every day you wait, you're falling behind. So here's my advice. Stop just reading about AI and start profiting from it. With Agentix AI Agents, you can launch your first autonomous agent minutes from now, before dinner tonight. Click the link below, get instant access, and watch your agents go to work. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's 100% risk-free. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this exciting, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI breakthroughs, and let me know in the comments what kind of agent you'd launch first. Thanks for hanging out with me. Now go launch your first Agentix AI agent and let automation start working for you. See you in the next video.